This is a time where we have a choice as individual members to take leadership roles. Right? We are all speakers. We come here to improve our communication skills. If you want to improve your organization skills, if you want to improve the way you resolve conflicts, if you want to improve how you take lead for a particular task and complete it successfully, by including all the people in your team or in the club, if you want to learn that as a skill, if you want to learn that as a talent, this is the only time you have a chance. Once in 6 months you get it. So the 6 months is available for you now. We have 7 roles in the club which an individual can opt for. As per Toastmasters International Guidelines, there is no criteria other than you have to be member of that club and a member of good standing. That is the only criteria required as per Toastmasters International. Right? The posts available for you to choose and perform the roles are Sergeant at Arms. Where as a Sergeant at Arms, you set up the meeting hall well before the meeting starts, ensure that snacks are in place, ensure that guests are welcome, the guest book is in place, the kit like gavel, banner, everything is in place. And for all these things, you get an incentive of speaking for 2 minutes. You have the captive audience for 2 minutes, audience cannot run away, that's the beginning of the meeting. So if at all you make a mistake, that's the best time to learn. So 2 minutes you get every week to speak as Sergeant at Arms. So people can opt for Sergeant at Arms. Then the next role available for you is the role of Secretary, where you get the experience of holding the club's property, maintaining the club's property, maintaining the minutes of the meeting, right? So you ensure that you hold the bylaws of the club. Anything which is going to TMI is routed through you. You are the point of communication between Sunshine Toastmasters and other clubs. You will be interacting with the area governors, division governors, the district governors as the secretary of this club. You have a lot of responsibility to communicate with the clubs outside on a formal manner. The third role will be the role of a treasurer. You know, it's a very powerful, interesting and enticing role. Okay? A person who has taken it is not willing to leave that role. Okay, that is the power the role holds. So you essentially make a budget for the club, you plan the income for the club, you ensure that you apportion money for various activities of the club, and you hold the key to the club's coffers. So the role of treasurer is there. Next you have the role of VP membership. VP membership is the role, if you find more members here, one important role played by the person of the club is VP membership. He ensures that the membership of the club increases. We need to maintain minimum 20 members to run a club. So the responsibility of maintaining that membership is the role of VP member. Also the payment of international dues on time, which gives the club a DCP point, is also the responsibility of VP membership. So Vice President membership is one interesting role which anybody can take. Then comes the Vice President Public Relations. If you have to promote this club to the environment called RT Nagar or outside of it, ensure that people come from far and near to attend the club meetings. You promote what we do today. This is one role which can be taken up. In the recently concluded annual conference, we had a contest called Best Bulletin Contest. We found some of the best bulletins of international standards. We get a Toastmaster magazine, some of the bulletins which we rated as first and second place far exceeded the standards of Toastmaster International magazine also. That's the sort of magazines you can bring out. If you bring out 2 newsletters in the next Toastmaster term, which starts from 1st July 2009 to 30th June 2010, if you can bring 2 newsletters within that term, and if it of very good quality and order contains relevant information, then you stand to win the best bulletin award at the district level. So the VPPR has a wonderful opportunity to do it. Right? Then we have the role of VP Education. VP Education is the person who plans the meeting of the club. Right? He is the finance minister or home minister or what all put together, which is going to be the key for running this club. He is the person. He plans a meeting, he ensures that every member achieves his educational leadership goals, the club achieves the distinguished club points. So VP Education is going to be the stand-in president whenever president is not. So he prepares you to take up the role of president of the club. And finally comes the role of president, the leader of the club. He leads by example. He has done all these roles or most of the roles, and he knows what it means to run the club at different roles. He is one person who can include everybody in ensuring that this club goes from strength to strength. Making President Distinguished Club Award feasible for the club lies in the hands of President. Right? Making meetings interesting lies in the hands of President. So President is a role of a leader of the club. So these are the 7 roles available. When you take up this role, check out whether you have these skills acquired when you nominate yourself. If I'm going to be the president of the club, you should be a competent speaker, not in terms of the title of competent communicator. At least you should be competent speaker. You are going to represent the club in various forms. Right? You should know how to resolve conflicts. You should know how to take leadership roles and lead a task and complete a task. So I have sent a mail to all of you in terms of eligibility criteria. This eligibility criteria is only from the nomination committee, which I see if I have to aspire for a role of VP education, I need to grow in the club in some form. Right? I can still opt for a role of a president, even being a new member. I cannot say that you are not eligible. You can stand and not participate in the election. But whether you have the interest, initiative, capability, time, and skill and competency to lead the club forward. You look at it, nominate yourself, and we'll be closing the nominations on 7th, right? Or 10th, 7th, and 10th will be the withdrawal of nominations. 15th nomination committee will be announcing the people who are nominated by the committee for the various roles. If somebody is not nominated, they can still contest from the floor. Right? Where there is a possibility of accommodating somebody as a team can be done, otherwise they can still contest from the floor. Right? If there is a contest happening, the individual contestants will be given 2 minutes to come forward and say why he or she wishes to take up that role and what is that she can contribute to the club in that role. Right? So there will be a secret ballot following that, and then we will have the nomination. So 18th June we will be closing the elections and finalizing the team for the next term. Nominations have already started. I can't say pouring in, trickling in. Okay? So let us have a healthy state of nominations pouring in. That the nomination committee has a tough task to decide. Right? I want leaders to come forward and say, yes, I would like to take up.
So the elections are going to be on 18th.
If required.
What is most of us among them?
You have to ensure that you are there.
So but we
Because
have
proxy.
examples.
Most of us means majority. Most is majority, not few. I look at, if I have to have a quorum for the election, I look at 50% or more of the club members if they are there. That's a quorum for me to conduct the election. That's a nomination. Yes, sir.
Probably, if you send in your nominations, if there is necessity of elections, 18th June, if too many of you are not present, make a request to the chairman, and if you deem fit, he can prepone or postpone. If there is no question of election necessary at all, then I think he will go. If there is a question of election, sending a nomination, then he will know whether 2 people for the same post or 3 people, then elections will be
Say
conducted.
when we
That case arises, preponing, postponing, left to discretion based on what you call the request of the
it's like any other process. No? If the nomination is going to close at 5 o'clock today, filing of nomination for election, and if you are in Timbuktu, you cannot come. You have to follow. The election commission will not change the dates. For the sake of few people cannot come on that. So we have a process we need to follow. But we'll see where it's possible to come. Right? Anything else? Back to you.